everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the home of cookbook recipes. It's a new day, it's a new video, it's a new recipe. So guys, welcome to today's video. And today we are going to cook from the Plant Paradox cookbook by Dr. Gandry, Dr. G. This is the book that you're going to cook from. This is the Plant Paradox Cookbook by Dr. Gandry. And guys, I told you guys a while ago that there's a new book. I've already gotten the book, and hopefully, the next recipe that I will do by Dr. Gandry will be from his new book, Gut Check. So watch out for that. So today we are going to cook from this book, the Plant Paradox Cookbook, and we will try and make the pesto baked eggs. That is a photo. This particular recipe has a photo because not all of them in this book have a photo. Let that be very clear. So guys, that's what you're going to try and make today. It looks really nice, and those ramekins are really cute. As we start, as always, I'm going to show you what you're working with, but don't forget you need to get the book to get the exact measurements for the recipe. For this particular recipe, you're going to need 4 ramekins. I already have 4. So let's see what else we need. Welcome to today's video. I told you a lot of welcomes. This was Metosha. Of course, I talked about the ramekins, so my ramekins are here. And yes, it's a pesto baked egg, so of course we need pesto. This is the pesto that I'm using, and it is from this book. Yes, it is a classic basic pesto. Check out that video. I've already done it. So guys, oh Lord, yeah, it is. It has been in the freezer, so I removed it yesterday. So that's how it looks like. And then we have some Swiss chard, but you can also use what? You can also use kale. I have some garlic, some salt, sube, some eggs, and olive oil. So where do we start? The first thing that we need to do is preheat the oven. That one is already preheating. The next thing that we need to do is pour a teaspoon of the olive oil into each of the 4 ramekins. A teaspoon. Let me get a teaspoon. So the book says we pour a teaspoon. The book just says pour. So we're not told whether we need to make sure that the sides are coated. So we are just going to pour. Pour a teaspoon in each. Yeah. There we go. But I will shake it a bit, so that make sure that the bottom is well coated. Now we are done with that. Now we go and cook the Swiss chard. So I've put my olive oil. The next thing I need to put is the Swiss chard and the garlic and salt. So you're supposed to cook this for 3 minutes. That is until the garlic is soft and the Swiss chard is wilted. Not soft, not the garlic is soft. The garlic is tender. The book says tender. Yeah, it's very soft. I think this is okay. We can continue. So guys, the next thing that we need to do, you're going to divide this mixture of garlic and Swiss chard into our ramekins. And then we'll put the pesto and the egg. So once you divide, we crack 1 egg into each. Crack 1 egg into each. Oh, that was perfect. Okay. Thank God we don't have any rotten egg. Yay! All of them are just perfect. Now, you're going to top with the pesto and bake for 10 to 15 minutes or until the egg is set. So, I'm confused. So, I'm supposed to put the pesto on top and now in the egg pop because in this book, the egg is on top. So, if I top it with pesto, so the pesto will cover the egg. I don't know. I don't know. Or I put it on the side, but the book says top. Okay, let's just top. So guys, our pesto baked eggs is ready. Why do I have to say done? Not done. We've not even tested. As in it's ready or it's done baking or whatever. You know what I mean? It's ready and I let mine stay in the oven for a while because eating runny eggs is not my portion. Eggs that are not well done. Mm-mm. We are not in the same WhatsApp group. My eggs need to be well done. I don't eat runny eggs. That is not my portion. So I had to let them stay for a while because I want the eggs to be well done. So time to taste. The smell in this kitchen. Where it smells really nice. Eh, the smell, guys. The smell is so nice. I wish I can transport the smell to you guys, but it is smelling nice. So let's taste. We see if the taste is as good as the smell. This is what I'm talking about, guys. I love my eggs well done. So that's why I had to keep them in the oven for a while. But now we can taste. Get some pesto, some eggs, and of course the Swiss chard at the bottom. You see? My spoon has some pesto, it has some eggs and the Swiss chard. Now we taste. I don't know why there's no black pepper because I feel like this meal needs some black pepper. My people, Dr. G, Dr. Gandry, this recipe is 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Wow. Oh, it smells really nice. It tastes really nice. Like I said, I think the only thing remaining in this meal is some black pepper. Because hey, the taste is not disappointing. The taste is as 10 out of 10 as the smell in this kitchen, guys. Whoa. Guys, try out this particular recipe and trust me guys, on this one it's 10 out of 10, 10, 11 out of 10, or even, I don't know. It's really nice, simple ingredients. Some of these books by Dr. Gandhi have really not complicated, but hard to find ingredients. But this one is just pesto that you've already made, some eggs, some Swiss chard, some garlic. Guys, try out this recipe and enjoy. Guys, trust me, this one you will enjoy. This one is top 10 out of 10. That's it for, I want to finish it before it gets cold, because I don't like cold food. I just love eating my food when it's still hot. So that's it for today, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye and God bless. Even the taste of the nuts in the pesto, it's still there.